Hi, and welcome back to this part of the course where we will be talking about generating invoices and collecting or recording payment in Zoho FSM mobile application. Creating invoices on the go for technician in the field can be incredibly useful, eliminating unnecessary back and forth conversations. How can you keep the payment process transparent? No more calling the dispatcher multiple times to confirm the job details or asking them to send an invoice. You can create and send an invoice for the service you are attending to directly from the Zoho FSM mobile application. You can generate invoice from two places. One, from the work order you are working on by navigating to the Invoices tab and creating a new invoice. Or two, from the main menu in the app under the billing section where you can select invoices, create a new invoice, choose the appropriate work order and proceed. Next, select the service line item for which you are creating the invoice. In the following step, you will see the invoice summary. You can also select the salesperson from the drop-down. The service and part line item will be automatically added along with the total calculation. If you are authorized to provide a discount, you can enter the amount here and then click Generate Invoice. The invoice will be saved in draft mode. Open it. You can send it via email by clicking here and adding the recipient's detail. Once the invoice is sent, the invoice status will be updated accordingly. You also have the option to mark it as sent manually by selecting that option. Now that you have sent invoices, what happens if the customer makes a payment either online or directly to you? If they make the payment online from the invoice email you send, you don't have to worry about it. The status will be automatically updated. If they made a payment to you offline or not from the payment link that was sent, how can you record that? That's also pretty simple. Right within the invoice, you will see a record payment option. Click on it and the field will be auto-populated. If any detail need modification, you can edit the information and the payment will be recorded accordingly. For instance, if the customer has paid $200 instead of $500, enter $200 in the payment field, update the payment date, select the payment mode, and if necessary, add the reference number, say the transaction ID, and the notes before saving. Since the full amount has not been paid, the payment status will automatically be updated to partially paid. Creating invoices and recording payment as a field technician is extremely simple on the Zoho FSM mobile application. Please note that if you are a limited field agent, you will not have the permission to create invoices or record payment.